Hi, students. After Dark is a song from the soundtrack to From Dusk to Dawn, and it's kind of a modern sideways vampire movie. Had George Clooney, Cheech Marin, and Quentin Tarantino in the starring roles. Also Harvey Keitel. It's a cool song, and it's very slow. It's very slow. For instance, at the slowest metronome speed, which is 40, like 1, 2, 3, 4. Watching her strolling in the dark night, so white, wondering why it's only after dark. And so on. It's very, very slow. Now, to play along with the group, which is Tito and the Tarantula, it doesn't show this on the chart, but you literally need to put the capo. Let me demonstrate this. The capo on the 2nd fret. And that's why the tablature that they give you says to do it from the 7th to the 10th fret. And that's the opening of the song then. So they show 7th fret to the 10th. Let me share the tablature. So it's 7/10. It's like a hammer-on almost. It's real fast, and so it's on the B string. 7th fret has a dot that you can see. There's the 5th and there's the 7th, and then on the E string, 7, 10, 7, 10, and then 9 on the G string. And then 7 on the G string, and then... Well, we're not playing it with a capo. I don't presume everybody has one. So if you want to play this really cool lick, you have to move it down 2 frets. In other words, it's 5, 8, 5, 8, 5, 8, 7, 5. And so it would be... in actual pitch, to play with the A, it would be 5 here. So it's still 4 frets away. So your hand is like this. Again, that was... That's not all that clever. Now, what it is, it's a blues pattern. When you learn to improvise in the blues, you'll find that there's a pattern. So it's actually the blues scale, the upper 2 notes of the pattern. Later on, when there's a solo, the guitarist, the lead guitarist, uses these notes. Or you could do this. Just pull them. And so on. He doesn't move away from those same notes from that intro. And so on, so on. But the song, it's slow. And so on. Have fun with this one. This is a new song for Trick or Treat, After Dark.